Here we go, Carnival Panorama, Interior Stateroom 6332. Now this is a unique room, guys. There's only a handful of rooms like this on the ship. It is an interior room, but it's larger. By far, it's much larger than a typical interior room. So if you're looking, you notice all the space over here for activities. You will not find this on the other cruise ship interior staterooms. You have your desk with a drawer. Hello, you got me in the mirror, and here you go. You got your blow dryer. Your charging situation is right here. So you got a couple USB ports, a couple standards, an international plug. You got this. You have the vanity light. Boy, hello. Nice artwork. The bed is configured for a queen size layout right now. Now you can do this as two twins. Have a nightstand on each side. Now keep in mind, Carnival Panorama is from 2019, guys. You're not gonna have your fancy USB ports on the bedside like you will on newer cruise ships. They give you a little table here, which is nice. And here's the wardrobe. You got your safe. You have 3 drawers, a couple shelves, and whoa, hey, someone left something. No, that's mine. You can hang your stuff here. You can look in the mirror and say, hey, do I look good or not? Don't answer that question. And you have another table set up here. So again, this is called a cooler. They call it a cooler because it doesn't get quite as cool as a refrigerator, but it will work to keep your beverages nice and cool. And a 40-inch TV. So that's what you got. But wait, there's more. You have the restroom. Now, as all Carnival ships or all cruise ships usually step up inside the restroom, so make sure you're careful, you don't trip, because I've done that. You have 3 shelves on each side. Looks like a prime pooping situation here, location. And then you have the vinyl shower curtain. Now this room isn't ready for occupation right now, but I snuck in here and got the video anyways because, hey, it's cruise day. So just keep that in mind, and let's show you one last thing here, and it's on the back of the store. This is important. This has all your muster information, all your evacuation emergency information, so you know, and you'll find the same type of thing in every hotel you've ever stayed in before. So that's it. Talk to you soon.